hybrid ultrasonic humidifier. The perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between two types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, the LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home.